us part. No, we'll never part. So this is where we end up. But let me show you how we got here. So some time ago, I showed you an AI-based tool called MelodyStudio. In that video, I basically showed you how I was able to pick the genre, the topic, the mood, the amount of syllables, the rhyme scheme, and then that AI-based tool spit back out lyrics to me to use for my songs. Now, this same company has come up with yet another AI tool. This one is called MelodyStudio, and you can guess. MelodyStudio basically allows me to have generated by AI melodies for my song. So I'm able to literally have it generate melodies based off of chords that I can put in, or it could just do it all itself. I'm gonna show you this, and we're just gonna make a song just using MelodyStudio, MelodyStudio mainly, and show you what it can do. So right now we are in MelodyStudio, and let's figure this out. So first things first is, this is the verse. I'm not gonna name my song. I feel like that's bad luck to name a song before it's done. So first thing we need is lyrics. So I'm gonna say, I'm in an R&B mood. I'm in R&B mood, come on now. Let's say I'm feeling rebellious. Yeah, I'm feeling rebellious. And I got a soul, wait, memories. Oh, rebellious with memories, like, I remember that, but you did me dirty. Continue. Okay, it's analyzing the topic. Okay, so here it is. I want to, whoa, it got, yo, this, oh, say word, MelodyStudio still got it. All right, you want to hit it from the back. That's crazy. I think you got it all wrong. I like this. I think you got it all wrong. Let's use that for my first line for my lyrics. Okay, so first line for my lyrics, I think you got it all wrong. Let's get like 4 lines and then we'll apply some melodies and see what it does. Give me a reason to stay. I like that. So I think you got it all wrong. Give me a reason to stay. Let's make it generate some new suggestions based off of give me a reason to stay. But this time, let's actually make it rhyme with the word wrong. So based off of give me a reason to stay, but make it rhyme with the word wrong. Every time she stares at me, okay, I think you got it all wrong. Give me a reason to stay. I like this. I'm too weak to move on, but I can't let go. Let's do that. All right. And now what we're going to do is let's move on over to the melody section. And basically you see a bunch of these chords right up top here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find chords that I like first. So okay, cool. So that's the chords it generated, but let me find some cool chords that I like. One sec. First off, I want to change my key to, let's change my key to like E flat minor. Yeah, let's go to E flat minor. Let's go. Why did I pick E flat minor? I don't know. Okay, so now this is that. This is E flat major ninth. Ooh. I like that. I like that. Hey, hold on. Let me get the tempo for that. Hold on, we might have something. Hold on. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, I'm gonna get it up. Get it cool. I like this tempo. Cool. Save this and bang. All right. So now my melody and my chords are combined with the lyrics over there, and now I can help it to use this to generate me some melodies for these words. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna export these chords. Shout out to MelodyStudio, because now I can take the MIDI, which I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna take this MIDI and I'm gonna bring it into a session. All right, so I brought the chords onto the timeline. Let me listen right quick. All right, bet. So we got our sound for the actual chords and stuff like that, so I can keep going back and forth. So my tempo is 144. Let's put the tempo in MelodyStudio to 150 to match my session. And now let's add the melody. So basically, I'm gonna use MelodyStudio to generate the melody. The first line it has is, I think you got it all wrong. So let's create a melody for that, I think you got it all wrong, based off of those chords that we created. Generating melodies. I'm so scared, because it's like, what is this gonna sound like? Okay, cool, so I think you got it all wrong. I think you got it all wrong. So, yeah, this is so creepy that it's doing this. I think you got it all wrong. So, I think you got it all wrong. Dun, 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 dun. Let's record that. Test. I think you got it all wrong. stay. Woo! Hold on, famo. I think you got it all wrong. Give me a reason to stay. So I want to make something rhyme with R, and my brain is saying, show me who you are. Show me who you are. I need a melody too, so I'm like, I don't know what to do, because this is like, I'm gonna switch the melody right now. Every time I turn around, okay. Show me your scars behind the stars. Ooh, that was a little bar. Let's listen to what it come up with melody-wise. So show me who you are. Show me who you are. I like that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let you go. Show me who you are. I can't change the past, but I can let you go. Show me. Nice. So you see, I was helping me build this song. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna shorten that melody up a little bit, and then so this one can just breathe and be there. Every time I turn around, every time I turn around. Look at this AI. Look at this AI just doing what it do. Show me the scars behind the stars. Show me the scars behind the stars. I'll give you my heart. All right, let me listen to what I got so far. Yeah. I think you got it all wrong. Give me a reason to stay. I'm too weak to even move on. I can't change the past, but I can let you go. Show me who you are. Every time I turn around, show me the scars behind the stars, and I'll give you my heart. This is so interesting. It really broke up my style a little bit. Like, it broke up the style that I usually would do for melodies, and it kind of made me go in a different direction. This is really interesting. Let's put some drums and stuff to this, and then we'll go back to MelodyStudio and work on some more stuff. But let's have some fun. Let's just build a little bit of drums around this new stuff that we made. I'm gonna pizzazz up this entire string, set chord. Like, I'm gonna pizzazz these chords right now. So I'm gonna take these chords. Watch me make it a song like real fast. I can't change the past, but I'm too weak to even move on. I can't change the past, but I can let you go. I'll give you my heart. I think you got it all wrong. Give me a reason to stay. Hey. All right, bet. Now let's come up with a hook. And then when we come up with a hook, then what we'll do is we'll put a bass line, and then we'll call it a nice skeleton of a song. So I'm scared to death because a hook, I don't know, MelodyStudio. I don't know if you got it like that, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't know if you got it like that. So the last time we said, I'll give you my heart. So I'm gonna take that line. I'm gonna come to lyrics. I'm gonna say, and I'll give you my heart. And I wanted to rhyme with, let's rhyme it with start or heart, doesn't matter. And let's see the suggestions it can give us. Let's change the topic and make the topic missing you. I wonder. Oh, wow, will it do it? Wow, it got that. Wow, it understands that. Wow, okay, cool. Ooh, till death do us part. I like that. That might be hooky. Till death do us part. Okay, I don't know what the melody is, but let's put till death do us part. Forever and ever and ever. Feeling your body as dry as I dry the tears from your arm. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so sweet. Look at this thing. It's got compassion. It's ratchet. It's like a bunch of different emotions in here. So death do us part, because we'll never part. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. And I know sometimes for songwriters, you're like, don't use the same word twice, whatever. We're having fun. Till death do us part. Oh, that's kind of cool. Hold on. Got that one melody. I was like, oh, no, I got it. Because if you're a songwriter and you do songs, you know, obviously, naturally, some things are going to come to you. So that's why I kind of like using it as kind of like an inspiration generator. Till death do us part. No, we'll never part. Give me a melody. Forever and ever. Part. And forever and ever. We look so hard on the dark. Ooh, the dark. See, this inspired a line. Instead of you're a spark in the dark, you're the light in the dark for this last line. You're the light in the dark. You're the light in the dark. You're the light in the dark, dark. Finding my bass line, finding the bass sound, the bass sound. I feel like I have better basses that I like in Sam right now for this. One sec. That's it. That's what I was looking for. Something like that. Something that had a lot of character on it. I think you got it all wrong. Let's listen from the top. From the top, 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 top. I think you got it all wrong. Give me a reason to stay. I'm too weak to even move on. I can't change the past, but I can't let you go. Show me who you are. Every time I turn around, show me the scars behind the stars. I'll give you my heart, heart, till death do us part. No, we'll never part. And that is a song completely crafted and inspired by AI and MelodyStudio. Make sure you look at the link in my description if you want to try out MelodyStudio. It's really dope. I think at this point in time in our lives, I think we should just embrace AI for what it is, and just use modern tools to make modern music. Yeah, it's a great tool. It actually is really good as far as just kind of giving me inspiration to kind of breaking up that monotony of that melody that you kind of probably always do in your head, and it kind of breaks that up. So I appreciate it. And then that coupled with the MelodyStudio is pretty dope. Like, it just kept me going. Like, I didn't have one down moment. I literally just kept going the whole time. So if you would like MelodyStudio, MelodyStudio especially, you can get it at the link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, if you like the content, please comment, like, and subscribe as well, and let me know how you felt about it. And yeah, that was MelodyStudio. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, y'all.